Hey guys, so quick correction. So on my recent video about the keyboard giveaway, I mentioned that we'd be doing a YouTube and Twitch watch time giveaway, and there would be 2 keyboards involved. Well, me and the person who was in first place, he was in first place by like 2 hours, so I messaged him and he agreed. He said it was fine. We believe it was a little unfair. Some people did not know about the giveaway until like 3 days after it started, which was today and yesterday. It started on Monday, and people didn't know. So here's how we're actually going to do it now. It's going to be YouTube only, a watch time giveaway. Whoever has the most stream watch time, and I'm still probably going to end it Monday. So whoever has the most stream watch time from now until Monday, or now until next week, depending on how long I stream, I'll figure out when it's going to end. I'll be talking about it on stream constantly when it's going to actually end. Basically, whoever's the most watch time, you know what? Let's say right now, by next Thursday, will win this keyboard. This is the more expensive keyboard. This is the nicer keyboard. It's like $170. So whoever's the most watch time on YouTube live streams, I'll be live streaming at least once a day on YouTube. So turn on notifications so that you know. Will win this keyboard. I'll ship it right to you. It's international and everything. You don't have to worry about that. If you can, trust me, if your country, if you can watch YouTube videos, you can receive a keyboard from me. So that'll be this week. This week, from now until next Thursday, this keyboard. So whoever's the most watch time in this week on YouTube, just YouTube, no Twitch yet. We'll do Twitch probably in a few weeks, because we want to get our watch time, our 4,000 hours done on YouTube. So win this. So you come on my live streams, you could just leave your phone open. You could leave your computer open watching the live stream. You don't actually have to even be physically watching it. You could go to bed while it's live and just leave your phone watching it while it's on the charger. Now, this week will be this. Next week, I have a surprise. From next Thursday to the Thursday after that, 32 gigabytes of RAM will be available. Depending on how many hours we have by then, I'm hoping to have the 4,000 hours done by next week. So this might be a Twitch giveaway, but I don't know. This is 32 gigs of RAM available for next week. Not this week. This week is this really nice freaking keyboard. Next week, 32 gigs of RAM. And if you're probably like, well, what if I can't use that? Sell it. It's worth money. Buy something you can use. Buy McDonald's or something. Now, all you gotta do is right now, I'm live right now. I'm literally live streaming on YouTube right now as this video goes up. If you're watching this later, it's not gonna work as well, but I am literally live. All you have to do is come on when I'm live, chat with me a little bit. You don't even have to chat. As long as you're watching, I will count your watch time. The winner will be actually announced. I will announce the winner because it's just the keyboard. Next Thursday, so come on over to my live stream. We can chill out, win a keyboard. There's actually a giveaway you can choose to win. All you like to beg and stuff, you can literally choose to win this just by leaving your phone on, or your iPad, or your old computer, or a laptop. Literally anything, just watching the stream, you can just leave it on and have it watch, and you can win. So I hope you guys will come over and check it out. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.